Do you ever want to just play dress up as an adult? Of course you do. If you don't, it sounds like you've lost your childlike sense of whimsy and the wonder of imagination. And I'm sorry for your loss. There's still time to reconnect with that part of yourself, I promise. I'm connecting to that part of myself today by just playing around and trying out a bunch of outfits I've had brewing in my cranium lately. So if you also like to try on outfits in front of the mirror for fun, this video is for you. This video is for us. Let's do it.
First up, I am so happy to be styling this colorful checkered cardigan. I've actually been going without my whole wardrobe for a month or so while visiting my family, and I'm just stoked to have access to all my favorite clothes again. So this is just a simple but cute, very me outfit to celebrate all those favorite pieces, like my trouser shorts, my chunky loafers, this cardigan, and my mismatched beaded necklace. I have also decided in 2024, I want to try to get more use out of all my different bags that spend 99% of their time just sitting in my closet, so I added this white shoulder bag I haven't used in a while. I topped this look off with a casual baseball cap to match the shorts. It's giving sort of an eclectic grandpa vibe, dare I say. And finally, I also added sunglasses, because every outfit just slays harder with sunglasses. Next up, I really wanted to style my fish dress I sewed myself like 2 years ago in a video. As I mentioned in my recent 2024 trend predictions video, I think maritime motifs like lobsters and fish will have a moment this year, and I obviously already love a fish motif, so here I am just committing to the bit by pairing the dress with my fisherman sandals and my little fisherman hat. It's gonna be a fish girl summer in this outfit. And to make it work more for spring maybe in the next couple months, I would also add this trench coat, which really just solidifies the beautiful escapist fantasy this outfit creates, that I'm like a little Ghibli character going to fish in a hidden pond during a rainy but pleasantly warm spring afternoon. This outfit is inspired by one I saw Dehana DCR style recently. I just loved how she combined all these different grays and blacks layered together to create something neutral in color but still so dimensional and detailed. To go for a similarly layered black and gray look, I paired a shorter black skirt over black pants on the bottom and then a very faded graphic tee on top. Then to add more layers on top, we have this velvet lace trimmed tie front top and then a gray overcoat over everything. Of course, chunky black boots and a black cargo bag help the coolness factor. See, you can tell I'm not cool because I said coolness factor, but I feel cool in this outfit. I finished it off with my yellow lens sunglasses to match the yellow in the t-shirt and make that look a little more intentional. And these sunglasses are really just the cherry on top of an excellent outfit. I absolutely love this.
Oh, I also just wanted to let you guys know, I just updated my Etsy shop. For anyone who doesn't know, I sell super affordable instant digital downloads of my art on Etsy that you can print however you want. I just added a bunch of new pieces that you can get now just in time for Valentine's Day. Could be a very cute gift for anyone you love, including yourself. And I'm even running a 20% off Valentine's sale. So I would love it if you checked it out. I am so honored by anyone who does choose to purchase something. And the shop is linked below. Thanks so much for supporting it.
Next, I really wanted to style this rugby shirt because I got it a couple months ago, but I've only been able to style it with my limited travel wardrobe, so I was very excited to have new styling options like this cowboy jacket. Honestly, I just wanted something red to pair with this, and I didn't really think this jacket would work, but then when I put it on, I totally fell in love with this combo. Just paired with brown pants and black boots, I think it looks so effortlessly cool and funky, and then this tote bag ties in with the stripes on the shirt and the green in the jacket. This is what I love about some good pattern mixing, because this is such a basic combination of clothing pieces, but I think it's so striking with an unexpected combination of graphics. I also think the mix of one very British coded item, the rugby shirt, and one very American coded item, the cowboy jacket, creates a really fun juxtaposition. For this next outfit, I was so inspired by this picture of a headscarf worn with a beanie over it, but this combo is out of my comfort zone, so I decided to make the rest of the outfit totally in my comfort zone with a funky graphic sweater, a long skirt, and tall boots. Then, on top, I added this bold, colorful headscarf and this blue beanie on top of that, and y'all, I wanted to experiment with this, but I didn't know if it's something I would actually wear or like, and I am shocked by how much I love how this looks. Of course, if we're doubling up on headwear, it's probably cold, so I added this gray overcoat on top, and altogether, I just love this look. I knew I would love the clothing pieces, it's totally something I would wear, but the headscarf and hat add so much and are so warm and practical. Catch me wearing this outside next time it's below freezing. For our next outfit, I wanted to play with two looks I want to wear more this year. Shorts with blazers, and ties. So I started with my green tailored shorts and a subtly patterned button-up that is way too big, but it's fine, it ends up mostly hidden. Then I added my thrifted tulip tie, which is also very big, but we're making it work. And finally, we're topping it off with my dark gray blazer. Overall, to me, this is giving like 5-year-old boy going to Easter Mass if he slayed. And that is aspirational to me. I also think the tall boots give it some cool edge, but also sort of an equestrian vibe. Altogether, very playful, very fresh. Definitely will be doing more shorts plus polished tailoring outfits this year. Next up, we're going extremely basic. This outfit is mainly just to remind me to wear my overalls. They are just so cute, such a fun artsy vibe, even with a plain striped t-shirt and white sneakers. And of course, some little added details like my mismatched beaded necklace and my tote bag covered in many years worth of pin collecting add the perfect little spunky touches. Can we bring back the word spunky, by the way? More things deserve to be described as spunky. Alright, this next outfit is another very basic base. We've got a simple top with a little graphic peeking out through a chunky knit cardigan and a midi skirt, plus some tall black boots for a little more edge. But the real feature of this outfit is these black ribbons tied into bows and pinned onto the cardigan. This choice was inspired by this look I saw on Pinterest. I thought pinning some long dangling ribbons onto my own cardigan would be a very cute take on this bow cardigan look, and honestly, I like this even more than I expected to. Especially unbuttoned, I thought it would look silly that way, but I love the casual, undone feel that it has. Next up, I really wanted to style a polo shirt with a patterned miniskirt, but I do not own any patterned miniskirts that worked here. So I decided to try layering this plaid mini dress underneath the oversized polo shirt instead. The dress is baggy, but so is the shirt, so I think it worked pretty well. And look at this funky little crest. I love it. I already like this, but I also really want to style this cardigan more this year because it is just so darn cool and cute, and I think it matches this outfit quite perfectly. To balance out the cutesiness of this outfit a little bit, I went with my black cargo crossbody for a bag, and you know, I wouldn't usually wear a shirt over a dress like this, but maybe now I will more because I think this is an adorable but very wearable combo. Next up, we're getting experimental, okay, but I saw this runway look from Florentina Lechner, sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, and I was like, I have got to try layering a dress over a blazer. And honestly, I think it looks way more normal than I expected. Of course, it helps to pair it with my emotional support chunky loafers, a structured white bag, and some very oversized sharp sunglasses that feel necessarily dramatic to match the outfit combo. I have to say, this feels a lot more out there than it looks to me. This blazer is also petite and a little more fitted, so it almost reads more like a shirt on camera. I thought I was just having fun with this one, but honestly, I might actually wear this. Next up, I really wanted to style these silver shoes I recently thrifted in a way I would realistically wear them, because I don't usually wear lower profile shoes like this, but I realized I really like them with wide cropped pants. So I decided to pair them with my velvet paisley pants for kind of a mystical magical combo. Then on top, this puff sleeve white blouse. This is a reminder to myself to wear my puffy white blouses casually, like for example with some funky pants and a cool vest like this purple floral one. I love that this outfit is like totally comfortable and wearable, but still feels a little special and different. I'm excited to wear this. Next up, I wanted to style a newer pair of funky pants, these striped ones with red stars on them. And these also pair super well with these lower profile red Mary Janes. So this is also a great way for me to get more wear out of these shoes as well. On top, we have another frilly blouse I'm trying to wear more. And for a fun little touch, I added these red ribbons inspired by Simone Rasha because I have seen her do a lot of this peachy pale pink paired with red ribbon lately, and I love what it adds to this top. This is another outfit that feels super comfy and chill, but again, it's still special and interesting. Like it would just add some fun to my day if I wore it. Finally, my last outfit is kind of a shocking combo for me because it's something I never wear, but lately I have been inspired to style leggings. Specifically, I really like the look of these Pinterest photos with a big jacket on top, leggings on the bottom, and then little socks with sneakers. It's giving like 80s aerobics Princess Diana vibes, and I'm just really into it lately for some reason. I don't know. Luckily, I recently embroidered this bomber jacket for my boyfriend. You can see the process in this video. So I paired that with a chunky white turtleneck sweater for a very voluminous shape on top, and then put my own leggings and sneakers on the bottom. Finally, because this is sort of a cool sporty vibe, I also added these yellow lens sports sunglasses, and overall, I think this is such a cool look, and it's so fun to try out a totally new silhouette.
I hope you all had fun playing dress up with me today, and I hope this can even maybe serve as a little collection of reference outfits to return to throughout the year for you and for me. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. It means so much to me when you do. And follow me on Instagram at BeepWorld to hopefully see these outfits and more in action throughout the year. Oh, and I heard if you leave a comment, watch another video like this one right here, and subscribe to my channel, you will never be stuck saying, I have nothing to wear in all of 2024.